Playing with and eating a bird, part 3. With Boo. What you doing? Oh, God. Boo Bear, what you doing?